Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. As I mentioned earlier on Telegram, the PC version video was coming today, so here it is. In this video, I'm going to show you the Bitcoin Wallet Finder, PC version, and more importantly, what's new in this update. Now, this is not just a small update. The latest version is a major upgrade, because the application is no longer limited to Bitcoin only. Earlier, this was just a BTC wallet finder, but now it has been upgraded into a multi-chain wallet finder. What's new in this PC version? So first, let me clearly explain what has changed. The new PC version now supports multiple blockchains, not just Bitcoin. Along with Bitcoin, I've added support for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain (BNB), Litecoin, Tron (TRX). So this means the app can now derive wallet addresses across multiple chains using the same private key. Because of this upgrade, it's no longer correct to call it just a Bitcoin wallet finder. It is now a multi-chain wallet finder. How does this actually work? Let me explain this in simple terms. All these blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Litecoin, and Tron, use the same elliptic curve cryptography, which is called SEC256K1. What changes between blockchains is how the address is derived, not the private key itself. So in this app, a single private key is generated. From that same private key, the app derives a Bitcoin address, an Ethereum address, a BNB address, a Litecoin address, and a TRX address. Each blockchain uses its own hashing and encoding rules, and those rules are now fully implemented in this PC version. So, enjoy finding wallets. The software link in description.